What's up, Makeup World? Kristen here. So I'm trying to make an easy unboxing video of my Boxycharm base box for August 2022. Anyways, yes, my name is Kristen. I love all things makeup, wrestling, Rocky Horror, Pokemon, and I'm awkward as fuck, so whatever. So yes, here's my box. I'm trying not to edit this video. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I got, and I'm going to go off the thingy here. I already know what's in here, okay? So the first thing we got is a glow recipe product. Look how cute is that little guy. So, but when I saw what it was, I was like, wait a minute, we're supposed to get full-size products, right? This is what was in it. So this is one of those avocado things. I have one, and I'm like, this is the full size. What's going on? But then I read it. This is an eye sleeping mask. Retinol eye cream. This one, which I got like a year ago, is Avocado Retinol Sleeping Mask. But oh my god, now it looks like it had a baby. It's so cute. Oh my god, so I'm stupid. But anyways. So that's $42 though for that little guy. Like, that's a lot of money. Alright, and then I already got this last month. If you've been a follower, if you've been a subscriber, I got that fucking Alleyoop thing. Now, I did get an email from Boxycharm saying that I was getting another product again. And I didn't really like this the first time I tried it, so... And it's the same, I think it's the same colors, so it's like, what the yeah, I'm kind of mad about that. And that retails for $38, if you don't remember from last... I was going to say last trip. From the last video. And then the next thing we got is Girlactic Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow. That is my dog. Breathing very hard. We have seen Girlactic a lot in these makeup boxes, in Ipsy and in Boxycharm, and I'm over it. I don't think that this is worth $20. I mean, that's just me. I pretty much hate liquid eyeshadows because I have such hooded eyes. But yeah, $20 for that. And then the next thing, which I was really annoyed at too for getting, I've already used one to do this eye look, by the way, which is coming soon. A sponge set. You get 2 sponges from Luxie in a little bag like this. $40. This is the second highest supposedly costing thing in this box, so is what it is. And then the last thing we got is this Tannis Sunset to the Stars lip oil, and this is for $27. This is, says new brand to Boxy, right? I'm just like, come on now. The sponge set says Boxy exclusive. I think it's just a way to up the supposed price of the box and how much it costs. So not happy with it, just letting you know. Not feeling it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in this box. This is probably the fastest, if not second fastest. Probably Boxycharm last month was probably faster than this. But yes. Don't forget, I have a Discord server. I'm going to link that down below. Chat about anything. Chat about making videos on YouTube. Chat about just makeup. I don't know, whatever. Join me over there. I would love to chat. It's free. You can chat on it whenever you want. What else? This is my makeup only channel. I have 2 channels going now. Basically because YouTube is silly and thought that my original channel then was just for wrestling. So I wasn't pushing my makeup channel, or I wasn't pushing my makeup videos. That's why I'm doing this. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. I will talk to you later. Bye.